Nĩ ũhoreru na ũthaka wa mũtitũ wa Muumandu kaunti-inĩ ya Machakos ũrĩa ũthiĩte na mbere na kũrirũka na gũcokereria riri waguo. Rungu rwa mĩtĩ mĩthemba ĩtiganĩte tũgacemania na Julius Mulingi ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩhũrana na ũramati wa mũtitũ ũyũ, agĩtarĩria mĩaka 40 mĩhĩtũku na watharĩkĩirwo na kwanangwo.
Hii mlima ilikuwa ina miti, kwa sababu ilikatwa 82. Cyprus, hii mzuri ilikuwa miti kubwa sana. Ilipandwa 1942 kubwa na babu zangu. Wanangi ũyũ warongoririe mĩtĩ ya kĩmerera na mĩtĩ mĩthemba ĩngĩ ũndũ ũrĩa wacũngĩrĩirie ũnyihu wa mbura na gĩkĩro kĩnene na gũtiga aikari na ng'aragu na wagi wa maĩ. Hiyo tuliambiwa hiyo miti ya Cyprus iko na ugonjwa. Kwa hivyo ikakiliwa kabisa. Hii miti unaiona hapa mbele ni ya kujimeza. Cyprus sio hii, kuna Cyprus iko hapa. Ile iko hapa sasa ni ya Isuzu. Ile ingine yote iko hapa, umeona Cyprus mpaka iko hapa chini ni ya kujimeza. Mulingi oigĩte thutha wa mĩnyamarĩko ya aikari nĩ maiyũkirie wĩigĩrĩrĩki wa gũcokereria na ũhandi wa mĩtĩ. Andika barua tuchunge hii mlima, tuka-apply na CBO Kamvogo CBO, tuka-apply CFA, ikarudi ikaanguka, tukaambiwa barua, tukaambiwa bana, tukarudi kaandika barua ingine sasa tuanze kupanda hii mlima. Tukapindua jina la Kamvogo CBO, tukameita mukakova Muumandu Kalimanjaro iwe na beba hii mlima na ile. Tukatuma barua 2013 ikasucceed. Sasa tukaanza kutetea hii mlima ndio tupande miti. Ũhandi wa mĩtĩ ũkoretwo ũgĩtwarithio na mbere nĩ rũhonge rwa kũramata mĩtĩ KFS, aikari na ikundi citiganĩte cia ũramati wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie na kambuni kĩũmbe.
The place we are at now is called Kawala. It is neighboring KAUNTI-INI, and it's a place where we have adopted 70 hectares within the KFS forest so that we can reforestate and assist in making the tree cover come back. 2014, when we identified this place, and I'll give you in a nutshell why KFS forest at Muumandu, we realized this place was deforested, people did logging, and by the time we came to this place, all the trees you see around were not there. The place was bare, it was dry, and we were trying to identify a place where we can create a high impact as we mitigate climate change.
Gũtigĩrĩra mĩũngũrwa ĩrĩa ĩrĩ natharĩ-inĩ na ĩrĩa yahandwo nĩ yamera ĩtekũma, KFS na kambuni ya ũthondeki na wendia wa ngari ya Isuzu nĩ mekiranĩire ngirimiti ya kwenja marima ma maĩ ma gũitagĩrĩria mĩũngũrwa ta ũrĩa ndagĩtarĩ Michael Musyoka aratarĩria. Andika proposal ikakuja ya maji. Isuzu kaja tukaangalia kuna silanga iko pale chini. Tukaona hiyo maji tulete hapa juu ndio tutengeneze nasari hapa chini. Kuna tanki kwa hapa chini.
We planted the first 1,100 and we watched them for 1 year, engaging the local community and in partnership with the Kenya Forest Services, and we realized the survival rate was 70%. The biggest challenge here was water, because they only depend on rain, which comes in 2 seasons. Safarĩra ĩno ya maĩ ĩteithĩrĩirie gũcokereria mũtitũ ũyũ wa Muumandu, ũndũ ũrĩa nĩ kĩonereria kĩa ũtumberia wa mĩũngũrwa kũrĩ thirikari na ikundi cia ũthaitĩri wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie. Now we have planted up to around 36 hectares within this forest, and the survival rate from when we started using the borehole water is above 95%. And we always monitor and we do replacement. Whichever dries up, we engage KFS and the community and they replace.
Mvua inakuja na hii mlima. Ikitoka Mboni inakuja direct kwa hii mlima, inashika hii mlima inakuja naye. Kama zamani vile ilikuwa. Hii mlima ilikuwa inanyesha. Na ile ingine iko pale. Hapa walikuwa pananyesha all the time. kwa hii soko inaitwa Mwanyani.
Uhandi wa miti ukoretwo ugitwarithio na njira nene guothe bururi-ini, thirikari ikiuga thiini wa miaka iri makiria ma miungurwa milioni 825 ni handitwo, no ciuria nyingi cigakorwo cikiyumiria ni miungurwa gicunji kiigana ate cikoretwo cigitiria.
Why are we giving 30% of these seedlings to the community? We want to empower the community so that when they plant these fruit trees at their homes, as they work in the forest, back at home they have something to eat. They have something to promote their household incomes.
Kameme TV tafarira ya maria maturigiciirie ngikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjiku.